Greetings, seekers of knowledge. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to join me as we explore the hidden architecture of creation in an upcoming introductory hands-on workshop in the methods, philosophy, and symbology of sacred geometry. This August 27 through 29 in beautiful Sedona, Arizona. A study of sacred geometry reveals the invisible archetypal patterns of harmony underlying all creation, matter, and life. Sacred geometry provided the alphabet with which the master builders of old conceived and constructed their masterpieces of stone and wood and clay, and the master key to unlocking their concealed teachings. Sacred geometry unveils the cosmic blueprint for the building of worlds and the order of the ages. Sacred geometry provides the key to understanding the great year, the vast cosmic clock that reveals the cycles of planetary change and governs the unfolding of world events. Sacred geometry unlocks the deepest mysteries of cosmic destruction and renewal. This is your opportunity to gain admission to the inner sanctum of the magnificent realm of sacred geometry. So please, join us in Sedona this August.